She is very rude. She is very rude. Li maledve anpil. She is very rude. Please, show me some respect. Please, show me some respect. Souple, montrez-moi un peu respect. Please, show me some respect. I have respect for everybody. I have respect for everybody. Mwen gen respect pour tout le monde. I have respect for everybody. I really appreciate the way you are. I really appreciate the way you are. Mwen vraiment apprécie façon ou ye. I really appreciate the way you are. This is how you should behave. This is how you should behave. C'est comme ça ou doit comporter ou. This is how you should behave. I never curse people. I never curse people. Pas jamais jure moun. I never curse people. That's why everybody loves me. That's why everybody loves me. C'est ça qui fait tout le monde aimer. That's why everybody loves me. This is thanks to God. This is thanks to God. Ça c'est grâce à bon Dieu. This is thanks to God. You are so blessed. You are so blessed. Ou béni anpil. You are so blessed. Keep worshiping your God. Keep worshiping your God. Continuez à adorer bon Dieu là. Keep worshiping your God. Thank you so much for your advice. Thank you so much for your advice. Merci anpil pour conseil ou. Thank you so much for your advice. Mwen ka pale anglais. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Mwen pratique anglais chaque jour. I practice my English every day. I practice my English every day. I practice my English every day. Mwen ka prononcer mot sa. I can pronounce this word. I can pronounce this word. I can pronounce this word. If you know la, write your name here. Write your name here. Write your name here. Write your name here. Mwen ka seulement di bonjour en anglais. I can only say good morning in English. I can only say good morning in English. I can only say good morning in English. Mwen reme prononciation. I like your pronunciation. I like your pronunciation. I like your pronunciation. Mwen kompren tout bagay. I understand everything. I understand everything. I understand everything. I understand everything.
Mwen pa konen. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Mwen pa konen. I don't know. Tourne relim. Call me back. 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 Pa inkyete ou. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Mwen okipe. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Mwen désolé. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Non, merci. Mwen fom. No, thanks. I'm okay. No, thanks. I'm okay. Mwen pa kompran. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Li vreman pran tan. It really takes time. It really takes time. It really takes time. Mwen bezwen yon ti ed. I need a little help. I need a little help. I need a little help. Merci anpil. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mwen sentim pi bon konya. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. Ou ka fel pou kou. You can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Soupli, di yon bagay. Please, say something. Please, say something. Please, say something. Ou gen chans jodi ya. You are lucky today. You are lucky today. You are lucky today. You are lucky today. Eske m ka tounen demain? Can I come back tomorrow? Can I come back tomorrow? Merci paske ou fè m konen. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. Fais attention. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Suspend ranse. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Rete là, pas aller. Stay here. Don't leave. Stay here. Don't leave. Stay here. Don't leave. Un-moi, s'il vous plaît. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Uka ali konya. You can leave now. You can leave now. You can leave now. Konya anale. Now let's go. Now let's go. Konya anale. Now let's go. Tournez n'importe l'heure. Come back whenever you want. Come back whenever you want. Mwen te kontan wè ou. It was nice to see you. It was nice to see you. It was nice to see you.